Hi Colorado, Clay Crocker here at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. Hey, I've got another great promotion for you. It's going on right now. It's with Samsung Appliances. One of the things they do the best is their French door refrigerators. And we have here a French door refrigerator selling at $24.68. It is a steal of a deal. $24.68 gets you this huge refrigerator. It's got all the things that I like about it. It's got, it's all taped up, but this door actually slides in under the next one. This goes up and down. It's got twin cooling. That means that your air in the refrigerator never touches your air in the freezer. I mean, it's just got everything in there that we like. The nice LED lighting in the side that lamps the whole thing. You can see everything in here. It's just beautiful, right? It's got temperature controlled door on this deli door right here. So as we open that up, we can set the temperature the way we want it, so the food inside lasts longer than it normally would, or hits the chill that we like to have it. We can put some wine in there, some cheese, some meats, whatever you want to do. That's going to be a very big benefit to you. It's also got a really huge freezer. I love this, where this comes out at the same time. That makes it real easy to organize what's going on in the freezer. So really nice. What's so special about this? Well, one, it's Samsung, and you know they do a really good job on refrigerators. But when you buy this at $24.68, you're going to get this for free, this for free, and this for free as well. This whole package will be $24.68. So for the price of one, you're going to get four.